This 2024 East to West Della Terra 261RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.